All right. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a Subway sandwich on soft French bread, warmed up. And there's tomatoes, lettuce, green peppers, cucumbers, and it looks like it's a meatball sandwich. So what I can do is, um,
With sweet teriyaki sauce.
it was sweet teriyaki sauce, if I'm saying that right. Oh, you said teriyaki. Okay, so you cut this into 4 pieces, and then you could serve it as hors d'oeuvres. So I'm gonna see how that works. I haven't tried it with the meatball sandwich. I tried it with the sandwich meats. But this is how you dress up a Subway sandwich. So, and I can't get it like this. I have to have my partner get it for me and order it because they turn out so fantastic.
You get 6 meatballs, you can make 6 mini sandwiches.
But how many meatballs on this? You only get 3, don't you?
I think you put 4 on there.
4, I think, meatballs. And what kind of cheese is that? Mozzarella?
No, that's a man. Is it white?
Mm-hmm.
That's mozzarella.
Mozzarella. Look at the pickles. I can't even see the meatballs.
I want everything on there, but nothing hot.
You want everything on it, but nothing hot. Everything on it, nothing hot. So he always comes back with some fantastic sandwiches. So this is how you do a Subway sandwich.